Whether you're handling patient data, clinical trial results, or cloud-hosted software, protecting information is critical. That's where ISO 27001 comes in. ISO 27001 is the international standard for Information Security Management Systems, or ISMS. It helps organizations secure sensitive data, including personal health information, through a risk-based, structured approach. ISO 27001 gives you a framework to identify risks, put controls in place, and continuously improve your security posture. Risk assessment: identify threats to your data. Security controls: apply technical and procedural safeguards. Access management: control who sees what and when. Incident response: be ready to detect and respond to breaches. Continuous improvement: keep adapting as new risks emerge. For medtech and health tech companies, ISO 27001 isn't just about protecting data, it's about meeting regulatory expectations under EU MDR, IVDR, GDPR, and global standards. Whether you're building a new SAMD platform, working with cloud providers, or applying for CE marking, ISO 27001 shows partners and regulators that you take data protection seriously. At PatientGuard, we help companies design, implement, and audit ISO 27001 systems tailored to the unique needs of the medical and digital health sector. Book your free discovery call today and build trust through security.